Me. Hello, test. Hello. Woo. Need this coffee to kick in. Meow. Hello. Hi. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm CourtneyQuarantine. I am your host. I am a full-time content creator, variety streamer, makeup artist, and today I'm going to do some makeup. If you would like to hang out, if you would like to kind of vibe, I say vibe too much. I started saying vibe like ironically, and now I say it and I'm like, it's a bit much maybe. Anyway, if you would like to join me for some long format content, mostly makeup like centered, consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. If you're not like a huge beauty enthusiast, but you just kind of like vibing all the same, hey, you are welcome here. You're welcome to vibe. Again, this vibe. I can't stop. Oh my God. But anyway, you're welcome here. The thing that I say is that if you actively hate makeup and you have like some weird thing about it, seek help about that. Sort that out yourself. Okay? Okay. Anyway, but welcome in. If you're returning, hey bestie. Hey! My skin is a little irritated today, but I'm going to start with my eyes because I'm feeling a certain energy. I am feeling a certain way about some blue shades right now. It's been a while since I've done a blue look. It's been a while since I could hold my head up high. Anyway, if you are interested in any of my other work, also before I get too far into it, if you're interested in any of my other work, please check the description. I make content everywhere and check it out. I love making all of the things and all of the stuff, and I hope that you enjoy it. So anyway, did that sell you on it? Did that really, hit home with the content that you would see elsewhere? I'm not sure. I don't know. Hey, go check out my stuff. It's cool. Dude, what? Anyway, okay, I can't stop thinking about this shade. 141, M141. This is a Jessica Hayes shade. It has some teal in it. I'll sort that out. I love this shade. Now, am I thinking of it because of Nosferatu? Yeah, actually I am. I love blue-toned like film and blue-toned photography and anything that's like got teal in it. Hence, honestly, why 151 my teal with Mob Beauty, which I will be using, is the way that it is. That kind of like veil of blueness. Dude, so I can't get this out of my head. I love 141 and I'm going to use this as basically an eye primer to start. I'm going to see if I can use this brush, but this brush might be a little too dirty for this activity. Let's see. This might have a little bit of brown on it, but I honestly don't know. By the way, this palette, maybe I would have to check on two of the shades, but the entire bottom row of this palette is vintage grunge. I don't know about these two shades, but these two shades I know are also Jessica. So this is almost an entire Jessica palette. I have so many palettes that have so many of Jessica's shades. I say this all the time. I will keep saying it again. Jessica, hey, I'm going to tag you, love you, adore you so much. But when people ask me, like, what do you, like, if I were purchasing from Mob for the first time, what would I get? For me, my first purchases from Mob were Jessica's shades. So, Jessica and Jen's lipstick were the first things that I purchased from Mob. And I will say, anytime that I've gone to repurchase or like re-up stuff, of course I'm going to buy my own shades. I don't know if that's obvious, but like, of course I'm going to buy my own shades because I use my own shades all the time. But so sincerely, if you don't know what to get, if you like this similar vibe and style that I do, Jessica has so many incredible shades. Like, I don't know how many shades, literally so wonderful, literally so stunning, love them so much. I have never tried a shade that Jessica has made and been like, yeah, not for me though. Every time I'm like, yup. Anyway, this sage green too, this is also at the corner of my brain and I will need to use that immediately in a look. But today is about the blue. So I'm going to take this on a brush I just threw, I guess, on this little brush. And this has a little bit of, I think it's 112 that I used to prime my eyes yesterday. Oh, well, I'm going to see what happens, but I'm going to take 141. Oh my God, dude. I'm so sincerely can't stop thinking about these blues. They're so good, but watch this. Watch, dude. So this is like a dusty blue shade that is like, I don't know how to describe it other than like dusty blue in an alternative way, in a like, I know it's vintage goth, but to me, it's like, it's not even soft goth. It's kind of soft goth. It's M141, you know what I mean? But I'm going to take this and just look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm just so obsessed with this. Woo, I'm so obsessed with this color. Okay, so I'm gonna take this like this and I'm gonna bring it up quite high. I love this brush for this. You can find a similar shape. I think this is an old Real Techniques one. I know that it doesn't exist anymore. This is the shape I'm going for today though. I'm literally just packing that shade down. This is what I'm using to kind of like prime my eyes, but this is also like the eye look at the same time, which this process with cream clays makes this so fast, dude. Like sometimes eye looks take me so long and I'm like, okay, I'm ready to be done with this now. Just kidding. Actually, I don't really feel that way about makeup. I'm always like, this is really therapeutic and wonderful, and I could do this for hours. But sometimes I'm like, I have a timeline that I need to keep up with, and I can't spend 7 hours on my makeup, although I probably could. I wonder actually what the most amount of time I could spend doing my makeup. Like if I was really taking my time, I wonder if I could take like, anyway, I'm just obsessed. Like I am just obsessed. You really can't tell me anything with this shade on. You really can't. Yup. Now, hello. I'm gonna take 151, which is my teal. It looks borderline black in the pan, but this is my teal. Love it so much. Mwah. These two together, dude. I've done looks with these two together, and it makes me feel. Do you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. I take this. One of my favorite things too about like wearing, like if I'm wearing an eye look that is mostly mauve, it removes so easily. It wears so well. I set my cream clays and they do not budge, dude. So taking 151, I'm gonna try to be a little precise with it, closer to the lash line. Ooh, seeing those two together, yeah. So I'm gonna just take it like here-ish, like that. Oh Lord, dude. Oh Lord. Now I'm curious though. I'm going to kind of like, I was only gonna take it on a little bit, but now I kind of want to like put it concentrated on the lash line and then kind of blend it up to get more of that teal to show. I don't want to get it too crazy. Like that level, not the entire lid, but I'll blend it up. I'm gonna take the first brush that I used and kind of pat over it maybe. Woo! Yeah, dude. Okay, I got a little messy with it. That's okay. I'm gonna set with powder now to kind of lock everything in and see. This is the powder I use. It's the Derma Blend one. You've heard me talk about this for literally years. And it's great. It's super hella matte. So if you don't like matte, you're not gonna like this, but it is matte. I'm gonna take a good amount of it and I'm just gonna kind of set my lid and kind of blend at the same time. Oh my God, I'm so happy right now. I'm literally so happy right now. Now, I want to use a lot of blues and a lot of shades I'm obsessed with. I'm not gonna worry about how messy that is because I usually just don't until later. I'm gonna go in with Sarah Rosie's shades, both of these cream clays. I'm gonna start off with the blue and then I'm gonna use the brown. So that's 164 and 165. And I'm just gonna smudge it, man. I take the blue shade first, which is like this really lovely like lake kind of blue, I think is how it's described. I'm gonna take it pretty much all like that amount here-ish. Then I'm gonna take the brown shade right here and just kind of smudge it, like get it messy-ish. I'm gonna create a really cool shade. Yep, it's dirty, it's muddy. Yup. I am gonna set that as well because I used probably more cream clay than I needed to, but I'm gonna set that with powder. Again, let it be messy. This isn't the finished look. You don't have to worry about it yet. And also I would argue you don't have to worry about it at all. It's makeup, dude. So I'm setting it and then I'm just kind of like buffing it in to kind of get this like smudgy-ness. I'm gonna go in with my KVD Mad Max Brown, which is a it's a brown liquid liner. This is one of my favorite brown liquid liners that has ever existed. I love this brown liner so much. And this exact one has lasted me a very long time. So I know it's not cheap. When it goes on sale, I try to buy it. Like if it's half off, I'm getting two, dude. But this one has been kind of a ride or die for me for quite some time. I'm gonna make a quick wing kind of out from where that smudge went too. Like you can kind of see that I'm matching up, kind of like, I'm working with what's already there. So this kind of angle. And I'm not trying to like lift the eye with this angle. I'm kind of having it be more like down or more like, I think for a while, is it puppy liner that this is called? The like trend of it was? I don't know. It just kind of isn't an upturn. I know like sometimes when I'm looking straight forward because my eyes are different shapes and they're at different angles, like this liner always looks stupid. It doesn't look stupid. Actually, you know what? I'm not here to be mean to myself. I think it always looks so different. And I'm like, please, I'm gonna need you to get it together. But I do want to do a little bit of a graphic line with this liner too. I'm gonna have to get really close to my face because I don't want to screw this up. But I'm gonna put a little swoop right, like whoop, very little, very light. Just a cute little line. I added just a little bit on the like inner tear duct too. I think that looks kind of cool. I think the really nice thing about makeup is that you can look at your features and see kind of where like anatomy wise where things line up, whether it be your eyelids, whether it be like your orbital bone, your eyebrows, like your cheekbones, and kind of playing with like liner placement or blush placement, whatever. like play around with that. Oh my God, it makes it so fun. I'm gonna put on a bunch of mascara today. The combo is Melt Cosmetics Supernatural Mascara and Cali Ray Come Hell or High Water. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, mascara on. I'm gonna go in with foundation. This is my House Labs foundation. I love it so much. I use it sparingly because it is quite spendy, but it is stunning. So this is the Triclone Tech Foundation in 015 Fair Warm. Give it a shake. I'm gonna take like a pump of this. Taking my 708 brush, which is gorgeous, stunning, and amazing, but you cannot find it anywhere. I don't think if you do see it anywhere, grab it. And I'm just going to start kind of patting it on. I'm gonna work it onto the brush and then put it on my face. Stunning, stunning, stunning. It's gonna give me a really nice skin-like finish. It is quite fair, but so am I. It's a pretty good shade match. Is it perfect? I think if and when I go to repurchase this foundation, I really would love to have it again. I think I would get a different shade though. So about there, I think something I like to keep in mind too is if I want to add a little bit coverage later, like especially in the center of my face, I don't necessarily have to do that with foundation. I can do that with like my Kosas powder. So something to keep in mind. Going in with my Ritual Defeat Intuition, I'm going to use this for contour. I have finally like officially hit pan in it. Sorry, there's cat hair in that. That's just the reality. I love this freaking contour so much. So much, dude. This is so good. I bought a backup because I did not want to be without. And when they were having a sale, I was like, better now than never. Like, look at that. Oh, perfection. This had a little bit of, I think, M80 on it, so it's looking a little warm, but that's okay. I love M80. It's one of my favorite, like, if not probably one of my favorite cream bronzers that I've used, period. I took that a little low over here, so I'm just going to take my foundation brush and kind of pat right here. That happens sometimes. Whoops. Totally fine. Okay, now I'm really excited because I'm going to use M171, which is my newest soft matte lip with Mauve. This is like the mocha mauve. That's what we kind of been calling it. I call it my hot lip, but I'm going to use this as a blush. And I am so excited about this because I know the vibes, and the vibes are right. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to put it on my hand. Like I'm going to take a little bit on my hand and then I'm going to pick it up on the brush and then I'm going to take it. You understand? So beep bop boop. So a little bit on this brush. That's a lot of it. That's probably a lot of it. And then I'm just going to, yeah, you see what I mean? Yeah, just a little bit though. I don't want like too much blush with this look. So that's also another reason why I wanted to use 171. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. I love this so much. Cute. Oh, wow. I love this. I love this. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit onto the cheeks, a little bit on the forehead, of course on the nose, obviously. And now that I have all of that down, I'm going to set my entire face. I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake Powder. Just lock it all in. I am a matte person. I like the wet dry technique. I do love a matte finish. I'm going to go in with this powder. Oh, stunning. Literally stunning. Oh my God. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't think I've had very good posture this time. Have you been seeing me? Hopefully. I don't know, man. I feel like I just get lower and lower and lower and lower. Stunning. I love, dude. I'm gonna do my brows really quickly. I use the Melt Perfectionist brow pen. I comb through them and then just do my little spikes and lightly fill in. I am obsessed with this technique and it's so fun to do like more spikes always. Anytime someone asks why I do like my spikes that I do down from my eye or like my eyebrow spikes, the answer is quite simple. I just like spikes. I like little angular things in makeup and I love eyeliner. And is this the brow pen that's no more? Why do I even have this here? Hello? Yeah, sure was. I have rubbed the, label off of both of these. I need to put this in my little empties pile. My God, what am I doing, dude? But anyway, I just like angular spikes. I think it's more fun. I think it's just, there's something about it. I just kind of started doing it. And I think sometimes with certain things, I have like these grand, I started doing this because it's a reference to a very niche, very specific thing. And other times I'm like, I like spikes. I'm tempted to put on a little bit of bronzer, but before I do that, I'm going to let my brows kind of dry and I'm going to put on a lip. I'm going to start off with Khaki from Unearthly. Actually going to go in a little bit. I had another M159, thank God, because mine is so tiny. But I've got a fresh 159 and I'm going to kind of add in because it's a little too yellow and I need a little bit of this purple. Yes. My lips are very chapped. We don't have to talk about it. Okay. Taking a little bit of villain in the corners. Uh-huh. Now, actually, I think I want to take 112, which is a cream clay, and use it as a lip. I am obsessed with doing this. Yeah, actually, yeah. That, maybe a little bit of 148. Why did my voice go so high with that? Okay, hold on. On top. Stay with me, stay with me. And a little bit of 171. Is that a gnat? And a little bit of 171. Ooh, 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 yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The lip. Okay, the lip. All right, it's time to be serious. It's cute, but here's the thing. Underneath the eyes, I need a little bit of 170, M170, just to smoke it out a little bit more. I just need a little bit of smoke. I'm thinking about this. Since I put these down, I just need a little bit. And yeah, literally, yeah. Literally, yes. Perfect, it's perfect, yeah. Yep. And now, just to finish it off, I'm going to take a little bit of that Kosas powder, a little bit, right in here. Yeah, just to kind of smooth. I'm going to brush through my brows just really quickly. Do I want a little bit of glitter? Maybe. But I also think I need to extend this liner a touch. It's feeling too short for the placement for some reason. That feels better. I can't explain why, but it does. You know what I am going to do? I'm going to take a little bit of Moonstone. I'm going to take a little bit of Moonstone and highlight my brow bone and highlight my nose because I just need to. This is from House Labs. I love this so much. You've heard me talk about it a lot. And honestly, it deserves it. It's a little bit on the nose and up here as well, just slightly. Slightly, but it makes a huge difference. I love highlighting right there and nowhere else sometimes. It's just, I don't know, it's just kind of a vibe. I kind of like how dramatic this shape is. Like all of this feels so like soft yet dramatic. There's something about this that feels so dramatic but not at the same time. I don't know. I'm really into this lip combo. I feel like I've gotten that like blue look out of my system because this is exactly what I was thinking. At one point in the middle I was like, it needs something, and the 170 really kind of like grunged it up a little bit in the slightest way, and I really like this. It's like messy enough. It's not neat whatsoever. But I kind of like messier looks just usually across the board. I don't know. I just like this look. I felt like I just wanted to do it, and so I did. So this was like a blue kind of like blue grungy kind of feeling. I also really love being able to use like my friends and mutual shades to just like add into like, I don't know, it just feels like I love it. I love it so much. The lip was fun. I love using matte cream clays. I love using matte cream clays for like lips, getting different combos, like having different, whatever kind of combination. I adore it so very much. It's so fun. I used to do it like a lot, like different combinations all the time. And I think I need to bring that back. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, double check that you're subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, comment something, comment your favorite kind of blue. I love hearing this. I love hearing people's favorite kind of blue. If you don't have a favorite kind of blue, maybe comment something that you watched recently that you enjoyed, whether it be content or a movie, a show, a series, whatever. I know Severance is coming back soon and I'm literally so excited. Yeah, it just feels good. It feels right. My posture has been bad this whole video. I do apologize. I need to like remember to like put my chair higher, but here we are. It's at the end of the look and I'm now realizing that. Oh well. But anyway, as always, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Blue grunge. Yes, yes, yes. I love it a lot. Hot.